Hello and welcome to the video. Today I'll be talking about this OEM Scion Alpine radio unit. A little bit of information about this radio. This was made for the 2010 to 2012 Scion XB models. This is a 2009 Scion XB, but most of the functionality of this radio still works. Two things that do not work are the auxiliary and iPod connections. You can buy a new wiring harness, an auxiliary, and USB ports, but that will cost around $150 to complete. Some of the basic functionality of the radio. I find it's easier to navigate some of the menus with DS Pen. We also installed the Bluetooth hands-free kit from Toyota. This allows us to make phone calls and also play music through the radio. This car also has the navigation feature functioning with the navigation computer installed. We also installed a reverse camera for the radio. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.